Is the horse meat?
Yes.
Alright. Horse meat. Horse meat. Horse meat. Sarap, parang corned beef.
Sarap.
That's the Kazakhstan hotel. So parang ano rin sa Azerbaijan, no? Alam mo yung highland nila, naalala niyo yun? Ganyan rin. Ito mas mataas. So may electric, meron din gas. So ito gas. Dandan! Oh, ay! Done na tayo. Nice experience. Ang sarap. I hope makaulit next time. Sarap dito. Wow. Move tayo sa next destination natin. Opie, let's go! Okay, follow mom. That's a good girl. A while ago. Huh? Kita niya ba yung pipe na yan? Supply ng gas yan. Yung mga pipe na yan.
Да, я знаю, не первый раз увидел.
Alright, let's go up. And they can walk also. Nakaremote, babe. Riding the cable car. Yes.
It's the seat.
It's the seat. We took the car inside going up. And it's much faster. So it's okay. Much better. Because our baby's sleeping. Look. So it's better to bring the car. That's the Kazakhstan hotel. So parang ano rin sa Azerbaijan, no? Alam mo yung highland nila, naalala niyo yun? Ganyan din. Ito mas mataas. Attacking bull. Atakin niya to. Ito. Yeah! Then you tap. 1, 2. Oh! Then we jump.
1, 2, 3,
Jump!
All those little moments, the blast you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. Well, maybe it was fate or a part of his
Temperature dito sa October.
giving me you was like giving me another chance. Thank God that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just
Animal Zoo pala dito sa loob. Cocteau.
All those little moments, the bus you didn't catch me looking over your shoulder, just at the right time. Those little moments all led me to you. Only God knew about all those little moments. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing. We keep on drinking, we keep on wishing.
What's this? What's the name?
Halap.
Halap.
Shalap.
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 Let's try this shalap. Let's try this. Okay.
This glove.
Salty.
This glove.
No what? No. No what?
No what?
No what?
No what?
No what?
Thank you so much. Thank you. Down.
Okay. So this is the horse meat.
Yes.
Alright. Horse meat. Horse meat. Sarap, parang corned beef.
Sarap.
Try this also. And this one. Oh, Hope is going to the toilet.
Look at yourself in the mirror. Smile.
Alright, so doon na tayo dito sa hotel na to. Ito yung view dun sa side namin. Ayan. So, grabing lamig sa labas. Umaambon din ng konti. Okay. So, city view siya. Okay. Aga ang alis namin ngayon kasi malayo yung pupunta namin. Pupunta kami ng Sati Village. All pack. Yan na, si Hoopy na lang hintay namin. Okay, so mamaya na lang ulit sa biyahe. Okay, so na tayo galing. Hintay na natin si Laglay. So, nag-snow ngayon. Snowing. Ayan, so nagpa kami. Okay, so ready kami. Si Laglay, hintay lang namin sa taas sila. Ayan sila. Ito yung bus nila. So may electric, meron ding gas. So ito gas yan. Dandan! Hahaha. Op! Ay! Exchange muna kami ni Poppy, this is snow. Look. Dito kami sa Oh, grabe. Snowfall. Sa loob na tayo. Change. Tayo, ATM. Kunin natin. Okay, 100,000 tenge. Okay, let's go. Ano yan? Bereke Bank. Ayan.
Might be next.
Poppy! Oh, it's snowing! Thank you, Lex. Success ang withdraw natin. Dito tayo kung gusto niyo mag-withdraw sa Magnum. Withdraw sa bank, eh? Bereke Bank. Okay. Oh, Poppy snow experience. Ooh. Open your mouth. Like that. But it's still closed. It's too early. Very good. Hello. Nasa ano kami? Gasoline station. Oh, di ba? Tapos may play area. Yung KFC rin dito. Kentucky Fried Chicken. Tapos may play area. Don't remove the sacks. I'll give Daddy the sacks. Give. Okay. You can do it. Slowly go up. On the blue one. The other one. Okay. Slide. Sit down. Ayan ang mga food nila dito. Oh, diba? Parang may king curry rin sila. Tapos meron din sila mga sarap ng food dito. Ayan, beef. Oh, diba? Preto. Alex yun. Si Hopi, adobo. Ginawa namin nila. Sa kotse ulit tayo. Biyahe na, diretso na. Pagas muna ulit kami. Yan. Hindi ko mabasa. Lamig. Stretch ko muna yung tuhod ko. Masakit. Sobrang sakit. So yun yung presyo ng gas. Mura siya, diba? Curious lang ako kasi sabi ni Alex, may washroom daw sila dito. Ito yung washroom. Itong green. Tingnan natin kung washroom talaga to. Washroom ba siya? Oh, diba? Oh. Open washroom! Na-try natin umihi doon. Ito naman. Mukhang ito na yung gagawin nilang bagong washroom. Ayan, sarado pa. Ayos. How's my baby? Are you doing good?